Have you ever wondered why dividing by zero is such a big deal? What happens if you actually try to do it? Is it just a mathematical rule, or is there a deeper mystery? In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of division by zero and explore the math behind it. Before we get into dividing by zero, let's talk about what zero actually is. Zero isn't just another number, it's a concept. It's the symbol of nothingness, the absence of quantity. Did you know that zero wasn't even part of mathematics for most of human history? It was the Indian mathematician Brahmagupta who first treated zero as a number in the 7th century. Since then, zero has transformed the way we think about math. But when it comes to dividing by zero, things get complicated. To understand why dividing by zero doesn't work, let's first understand what division is. Division is essentially splitting a number into equal parts. For example, if you have 10 chocolates and share them with 5 friends, each gets 2 chocolates. Easy, right? But what if you're asked to divide those chocolates among 0 friends? What does that even mean? Who gets the chocolates? In simple terms, division by zero isn't just difficult, it's impossible to define. Think of division as a way to reverse multiplication. For example, 10 divided by 2 equals 5, because 5 times 2 equals 10. But if you divide 10 by 0, you're essentially asking, what number multiplied by 0 gives 10? The answer is nothing. No number works, because anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. That's why division by zero breaks down. Let's take another example. Imagine dividing 1 by smaller and smaller numbers. If you divide 1 by 0.1, you get 10. Divide by 0.01, and you get 100. Divide by 0.001, and you get 1000. As the divisor gets closer to 0, the result grows larger and larger, approaching infinity. But when you hit 0 itself, the logic collapses. You can't assign a finite value to the result, or even infinity. The result is simply undefined. In calculus, mathematicians deal with limits to handle situations like this. While dividing by zero is undefined, the concept of approaching zero helps solve complex problems. However, even calculus can't make direct division by zero valid. Let's think about speed. If you drive 100 miles in 2 hours, your speed is 50 miles per hour. Now imagine covering that distance in 0 hours. What's your speed? Infinite? Instantaneous? The concept breaks down because time can't shrink to 0 while distance remains finite. That's why dividing by zero doesn't work in physics either. Now let's use a real-world analogy. Imagine you're filling glasses with water from a bottle. If you have 1 glass, you can fill it completely. 2 glasses? Each gets half. But what happens when you have 0 glasses? There's no one to share the water with, and the idea of dividing the water becomes meaningless. That's what happens with division by zero. It's not just undefined, it's unthinkable. So, the next time someone asks, why can't you divide by zero, you'll have the perfect answer with real-life examples to explain. In the end, dividing by zero is more than just a rule. It's a window into the beauty and complexity of mathematics. Remember, zero isn't the problem, it's the key to understanding math itself. If you enjoyed learning about this mind-bending concept, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let us know in the comments what other math mysteries you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching.